Alright, here is the spring compensator tension rods. So they go from the back boogie wheel up to the front boogie wheel, and the threaded rod is for adjusting the right amount of tension. There's a spring in there, and you can see there's one for each side, and what that does is it forces the middle two boogie wheels to push down more than the front one or the back one. And when there's no air on it, the pressure is pretty even between the four of them. When I air up the air shocker bags there, you'll see that the front one and the back one come up a little bit, and this will allow it to turn a lot easier because tracks skid as they turn. So we're trying to minimize the amount of area on the ground for when we turn. That'll take a lot less power to turn. So when I air it up, you'll see how much it'll rock, and then when I air it back down, it goes back down to all four on the ground. So here we go.